Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vivisimic Show. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare beans flour. In my last video, I taught you guys how to prepare baked moi moi and I used beans flour. So one of my subscribers requested I should teach you guys how to prepare the beans flour. So let's get started. I use half cup of beans. As you can see, I pour the beans inside bowl. Then I added water and start washing. Make sure you use your 2 hands to wash the beans so that the whole chaff will remove. Before you start washing, remember to pick the beans, remove the stones and dirties that is inside the beans before you start washing. If you are new in this video, please try to subscribe, comment, like, share to your loved ones, and hit the notification bell. To you all my subscribers, you all are so amazing. May God bless you all for your support. After washing, you remove the chaff. You can see how I'm removing the chaff from the beans. As you can see, I have finished removing the chaff from the beans and it is well washed. Now, after washing the beans, I'm going to put it inside the tray and leave it there to dry like 2 days. Make sure you dry the beans very well. After drying the beans, then you blend it. As you can see, the beans is well dried. And now I'm going to put it inside blender and blend it very well until it looks like powder. Beans flour is the easiest way to prepare moi moi or akara. If you want to prepare your moi moi, you just collect the flour and mix and prepare your moi moi. Or if you want to prepare your akara, you just remove the quantity you want and mix and prepare your akara. You can see the outcome of beans flour. Very easy to make. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. May God bless you all. I love you all. Bye. See you next time.